Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get a cheap.com domain. Let's go.
Welcome to Rich Boy Tech Channel. Let's make money online.
Yeah, so the domain name we are going for is my domain, richboytech.com. So we are trying to get this domain at a cheaper rate. So as you can see, the domain is not existing, so we need to buy this domain right now. First of all, we check GoDaddy, and the price it here is first of all we check GoDaddy, and the price is $11.99. So we check Namecheap now, and the price in Namecheap is around $10.28. So let's check for Bluehost. Bluehost is around level $0.99, almost $12. So we are trying to get this domain at a cheaper rate. So to do it, we have to go to a site called seekahost.app. Seekahost.app, not .com but .app. So when you open the site, it goes like this. You click on sign up. So click on sign up. Then you input your name, your last name, your email, your password. So you input your name, your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Then you do the captcha and create an account. So when you create an account, it will open like this. So you will see, please check your email and follow the link to verify your email address. So all you have to do is go to your email and verify your account. Okay, this is the email. So verify email address. So once you verify the email address, you are good to go. As you can see, yeah, the domain, the email have been verified. So the next step is to purchase the domain. Go to register domain, then input the domain name you want to buy. For now, we are buying richboytech.com. Search. You see the price. The price here is $5.99. See, it's a bit cheaper than GoDaddy, which is almost $12. Bluehost, which is almost $12, and Namecheap, which is almost $11. So the price margin is kind of huge, just $6. So you buy it, click on checkout. So click on checkout. So you can see the price here is $5.99. So cards updated. So you put your address. So right now I'm going to buy with my PayPal account. You can buy with your credit card, your PayPal. So I'm buying with my PayPal account. So they have sent code to my phone number. So let me input the code right now. 443448. Okay. Yeah, thanks for your order. So the domain is good to go. So the next step is to verify the domain and change your name server. So you can see the domain is active for $5.99. The domain is paid and active. So all we have to do now is verify the domain and change our name server. So you can see it's still verifying. So to change the name server, we have to unlock the domain. The domain has been unlocked. So go to the name server and input our name server. Go to custom/private name servers, input the name server. So once you are done, click on change name server. So the name server will be updated. So the next step is to is to verify our domain. So if you don't verify your domain within 16 days, it's going to be locked. So we have to verify it. So here is the verification link sent to our email. So verify it. So here is the verification. So verify information. So once your domain is verified, you are good to go. You are good to go. So you refresh and you see to be verified. Voila. So this is how you buy a cheap domain for $5.99. So do it to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.